This 2013 Ford Super Duty F250 SRW is brought to you by TX Work Trucks. One owner, former GSA, General Services Administration, vehicle, low mileage 2013 Ford F250 Super Duty 4WD service body work truck. Only 90k on this 6.2 Ford Boss V8 engine. Runs and drives excellent, brand new tires, 4x4 shifts effortlessly, ice cold AC, hot heat, 8 number 39, service body bed, tow package, cruise control, power windows, power locks, key fob, power mirrors, AM/FM/auxiliary/CD, traction control, fresh oil change and Texas state inspection. 5101E University Drive, Denton, Texas. TSWRTrucks.com to 14 810 6539 Keywords: work truck, service body, KUB, Ford, F250, F350, Chevrolet, 2500, 3500, Ram, electrician, plumber, HVAC, heating and air, farrier.